It's time for another Bullet Point Bulletin with Bruce Burke. Spatial Labs, a Web3 infrastructure and hardware company, announced the closing of a $10 million seed round led by blockchain capital with participation from Marcy Venture Partners, the firm co-founded by Jay-Z. Iddris Sandu founded Spatial Labs in 2021, seeking to create products and shopping experiences using augmented reality. The metaverse to us is not a virtual space that people go to spend time in. It's a world in which we can add more context to your real world and make your real world more enjoyable, Sandu said. We're going to be responsible for catalyzing a completely new generation to be more conscious of their environment, more conscious of how they spend and how they buy. Spatial Labs company made a splash in the industry last year by selling clothes designed by Sandu called Gen One Hardwear, which were embedded with a microchip called Link that provided customers with the item's provenance and ownership history, which is viewed on the blockchain. Similar to an NFC transaction, tapping the Link chip with a phone unlocks online and in-person experiences such as virtual concerts. Last year, Spatial Labs launched a marketplace for buying and selling items. It also sold microchips to those wishing to sell their own embedded products and upload their own exclusive offerings for potential buyers. The chip, for example, allows brands to add loyalty programs directly into their products and say signing someone up for an email list. To gain access to the loyalty benefits, all consumers must do is bring their phone within proximity to the chip sewn into the item they have purchased from the brand. With the fresh capital, Spatial Labs plans to continue scaling its blockchain-enabled technology and expand into media and entertainment. It plans to launch a device called Node to simplify how long it takes to develop and deploy augmented reality experiences. We're also thinking about reducing the barrier of entry into Web3 and augmented reality using our chip technology, Sandu said. Both Bullet Point Bulletins and FinTech Confidential have opportunities for sponsors. As an ad-supported network, we're always looking for new partners with products and services that will benefit our qualified audience.